The Union of International Railways, UIC for short, focuses on sharing industry best practices, promoting interoperability between railway networks worldwide. So how is this key player tackling the digital transformation process overall, and the particular challenges that 2020 represents? What initiatives has it proposed, and how does it see the industry's future? Let's welcome Jean-Michel Evangelou, UIC's Deputy Director, who's going to share his key insights with us.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Jean-Michel Evangelou, and I'm in charge of signaling, telecom, and digital application in UIC, the International Union of Railways. I will provide you today with some elements regarding digitalization activities in UIC. The International Union of Railways, as you may know, is an international association regrouping more than 200 railway companies over the world. Its missions are basically twofold: ensure the promotion of railway as a global mean of transportation through seminars, conferences, and representation in different international bodies. Define technical specification for the numerous elements of the railway system on behalf of railway companies, should it be for infrastructure, rolling stock, or signaling. As such, UIC is the technical platform for railways. UIC is particularly active in Europe, Asia, and Middle East, but is also present in Americas, Africa, and Oceania. In its strategic plan, UIC has defined 6 focus areas to better serve the whole railway community. Environment and sustainable development. The train is certainly the greenest way of transportation, and we ambition to even increase this position. Safety and security, which are central elements of all train operations. Freight and international corridors. The train must increase its share in the transportation of goods for economical and environmental aspects. Railway signaling and telecommunication. This is the heart of the railway system, and this is where the major part of digitalization will take place. Standardization, the role of technical platform of UIC for the railways. Research and expertise development, also in the context of UIC role as technical platform. Within these focused areas, I have selected 4 examples of UIC activities in the domain of railway digitalization. The introduction of 5G, the Future Railway Mobile Communication System, FRMCS. A new initiative on artificial intelligence application in railways, and the concept of digital platform that we started 2 years ago. Let's start with the digital modeling. The digital modeling of the railway system is a prerequisite to a coordinated, converging, and optimized global digitalization of all the train elements. For this, UIC started a program some years ago to define a descriptive model and a language for the railway system. The name of this program is RSM, Railway System Model. This RSM is currently evolving to be the central element of a converging descriptive language capable to interact with different specialized models and languages, such as ULINX in the signaling world, IFC Rail in the BIM world for construction, or RailML in the domain of traffic management. The objective is to build a common data model for railways, including all necessary dimensions: construction, asset management, functional aspects, project management, and even simulation. Aside RSM, UIC is also building a unified dictionary for railways, regrouping all the necessary objects defined for the railway system. This is what we call the ontology of rail. This universal dictionary is consequently named OntoRail and is currently at the version of first prototype. The work around the Common Data Model, CDM, is achieved in strong collaboration with Shift2Rail, the joint undertaking set by the European Commission to align all research activities in the rail domain. The second example is the introduction of 5G in the control common railway system. I remind that the railway signaling is a global system ensuring the control of a train in terms of speed and movement authorization, including all the technical elements, should it be trackside or onboard, that provide the necessary levels of security and safety during the journey of a train. We are here at the dawn of a major change with the introduction of 5G FRMCS, Future Radio Mobile Communication System. The 5G FRMCS will have the tough mission to replace the current GSMR system, today deployed on 150,000 kilometers of line in Europe and 250,000 kilometers of line in the world. But even if very successful, GSMR is hit by obsolescence on one side, and the needs of railways are dramatically increasing on the other side. The train is going digital with new services such as train automation, smart maintenance, remote monitoring, and so on. The train of the future will have higher needs in terms of bandwidth, functionalities, and quality of service. Consequently, UIC has launched, some years ago, a full program to define and specify FRMCS with a lot of activities, including all specification, maximum standardization into GPP, strategy for frequency management, and migration scenarios. FRMCS will definitely be the enabler for the control common digitalization. UIC is also active in the domain of artificial intelligence application to the railway domain. To be more concrete, we defined in 2020 a global project for the usage of artificial intelligence to improve the performance in different aspects of railway maintenance. This project encompasses key sectors of the railway domain, should it be infrastructure, rolling stock, or signaling systems. The ambition is to match the needs of railways in terms of maintenance with industrial solutions that are or will be available on the market with affordable business models in terms of cost ownership and ensuring at the same time the necessary levels of security and safety that are required by train operations. This initiative, starting from railway requirements obviously, will be largely open to artificial intelligence suppliers. We will need their expertise and their knowledge to define the best industrial models. The last example of UIC digital activity I wanted to touch today is the UIC digital platform. This platform has been defined with three main objectives. Share the best practices in terms of digital achievements and plans among the UIC railway members. Open ad hoc projects relevant to UIC members. Connect the manufacturers and suppliers specialized in the digital domain with railway members of UIC with a particular focus on startups and innovative companies. I encourage all of you to participate in this UIC digital platform and to its extensive programs of workshops and conferences. There are, of course, numerous other examples of digital activities running in the International Union of Railways. Feel free to get in touch with us on this matter, and I thank you for your attention.